Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the permanent government lecturer vacancies notification from one of the state government education board guys. And here the total 191 lecturer vacancies are there and the salary is 35,400 rupees per month. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam. So from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video and the links I kept in the description box of this video. Coming to the present content of the video. So it is recruitment of lecturers 191 posts from Department of School Education, Government of Punjab. Okay. So here the subjects are biology, chemistry, commerce, economics, geography, Hindi, maths and sociology. So we will check each and every one and I will show you the online application link also. Okay, so first have the details here. So the information everything provided here in this notification guys. So anyhow this notification released on April 1st 2021 and here you may check down the online application procedure starts from 5th April 2021 to 26th April 2021. Okay, so these are the important dates that you have to remember. And coming to this subject, the total 14 vacancies are there. Coming to the fresh vacancies, and the vacancies reserved for the women, then here the 5. Okay, from the total number of fresh vacancies. Okay, so that's why here the total number of vacancies you can take this subject as a 14. And coming to the educational qualification, should have passed MSc Botany, Zoology, Biotechnology, Biochemistry, Microbiology, Human Biology, Genetics or any other equivalent qualification with equivalency certificate should be given by the concerned university or institution with at least 55% of marks and should have passed the B.Ed with teaching subject science from a recognized university or institution as per the guidelines of University Grants Commission. Okay. And likewise, while coming to the chemistry, so here these are the details. So the same dates, application starting is 5th April 2021 to 26th April 2021 and coming to the total number of vacancies are 25 and educational qualification should have passed MSc Chemistry or Biochemistry or any other equivalent qualification, but equivalency certificate should be given by the concerned university or institution with at least 55% of marks and should have passed the B.Ed with teaching subject science from a recognized university institution as per the UGC. And similarly, while coming to the commerce, so here the total 76 vacancies are there and coming to the qualification should have passed MCOM or chartered accountant at least 55% of marks or any other equivalent qualification and should have passed the B.Ed. Fine. And similarly, while coming to the next subject, so you may check down here, the total number of vacancies are the same dates 5th April to 26th April and the total number of vacancies are 18 here and coming to the qualification required should have passed in MA Economics or Applied Economics or Business Economics with at least 55% of marks and should have passed the B.Ed with teaching subject Economics. And likewise, coming to the other subject, the same starting and the closing dates of online application, the total number of vacancies are 12 and coming to the qualification should have passed the MA or MS in Geography with at least 55% of marks and should have passed the B.Ed with teaching subject Social Science from recognized university. And similarly, coming to the next subject, the total number of vacancies are 11 are there and the qualification required is MA in Hindi at least 55% of marks and should have passed the B.Ed with teaching subject Hindi from a recognized university. Okay, or institution as per the guidelines of UGC and should have the studied Hindi as an elective subject in graduation for a period of 3 years. Next, while coming to the next one, the total number of vacancies are 28 and the qualification should have passed MA with mathematics or MSc mathematics or any other equivalent qualification with 55% of marks and should have passed the B.Ed. And coming to the next one, so here the total number of vacancies are 33 and should have passed MA in Sociology with at least 55% of marks and should have passed the B.Ed with the teaching subject of Sociology or Social Science. Okay, So these are all the different vacancies from the biology, chemistry, commerce, economics, geography, Hindi, maths and sociology. So if you observe on the whole, they are asking post graduation in the particular, in the concerned department with at least 55% of marks plus B.Ed qualification also they are asking. Okay. And to know about the few more terms and conditions and few more eligibility, so please go through all this notification once, and all the necessary links I will provide at the end of the description box of this video. And actually the online registration is not started yet. Okay, if once the online registration is started, whatever the blue box you are looking here, in this blue box the online registration link will be opened. Actually, as per the notification in all the subjects, what they mentioned is that online application procedure is going to start from 5th April 2021 to 26th April 2021. So today is the 5th. So today at any time you may get the online registration link in this column. Okay. Once if it is started, then you may start for applying these positions. Okay. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these departments. Okay. So please subscribe, share, like, comment, okay, and tap the bell icon, guys. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide